What if I told you that you could wake up within your dreams and launch yourself into a powerful astral projection? It all starts with a simple reality check. In this video, we'll explore how to use reality checks, a simple technique that can help you determine whether you're awake or dreaming. By mastering this, you can consciously trigger an out-of-body experience and explore beyond the physical world. Reality checks are small tests you can do throughout the day to question the nature of your reality. They help you differentiate between waking life and a dream state. When you become skilled at this, you can use it as a tool to wake up within your dreams, a critical step for astral projection. Here are a few easy reality checks you can try. Ask yourself with conviction, am I awake or dreaming? Do this throughout the day, truly questioning your reality. This habit trains your mind to recognize the difference, making it easier to become aware during dreams. Another powerful method to determine if you're awake or dreaming is the hand technique. Look at your hands throughout the day and ask, do my hands look normal? In dreams, hands often appear distorted. By regularly checking, you train your mind to notice this during dreams, helping you become aware and take control. An additional reality check technique is the light switch technique. Try flipping a light switch. In dreams, light switches often don't work properly. If you get no change in lighting, it's a clue that you might be dreaming. Regularly practice this to train your mind to spot this oddity during dreams and gain awareness. To make these reality checks effective, practice them regularly during the day. The goal is to make them a habit so that when you're in a dream or an altered state of consciousness, you'll instinctively perform one, triggering your awareness. When you perform a reality check and realize you're dreaming, stay calm. This is your chance to transition into an astral projection consciously. You may find yourself already out of body or in sleep paralysis. If you find yourself in sleep paralysis, focus on your intention to leave your body and let the experience unfold naturally. Reality checks are simple yet powerful tools. Questioning your reality opens the door to deeper consciousness and the potential for astral projection. Start today. Check your reality. Ask yourself throughout the day, am I awake or dreaming? Embrace the journey and discover the nature of reality for yourself. The possibilities are endless. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching.